ginagawa natin yung point guard.
They travel to 3 different countries.
3 different time zones pa.
Three different time zones.
He's got Monzon to contend with. And Northport's got a plethora of those 6'4 to 6'6 guys to try and match up with Brownlee all series long. Pero that time around, ginawa niyang Astin taas.
Here's what people are saying, right? That he's not the same Justin Brownlee from before. And he wants to be able to.
Ibigay niya dito kay Hope. First 2 games ng quarters, tahimik yan si Steven. Game 3, pumatok na. And here in Game 1, nakapasok agad ng 3 si Hope. Jumpet ni Yo-Yo pa. Rosario this time around made sure of the cleanup.
You can see the energy.
Ganda ng pagkakaharang ni Kadim. Hope with a second triple of the game.
You can see a guy who's got fresh legs right there. Mga ng Gilas, kinakailangan mas fresh na. They may play more minutes than they're used to.
Motorcycle of the PGA. And this will force Northport into this timeout, I guess, as Brownlee knocks 3. Nagkahiwalay sila, pero yung core.
And Brownlee, you know, yun nga yung kumbaga yung naging problema niya this conference, really that 3-point shooting. But you know what? There's still a good point line.
Cool. Now on the floor, gets it back to RJ. Look at Fran Yu, shut down that baseline. You know what's going on.
Never know when you're guarding RJ Abarentos. He pulls out just
You think na bira to top seed ka, pero dehado ka. You think that relieves some of the pressure?
11 and a half months in a year. Kinakailangan mo rin talaga magpahinga. Alam naman natin, you know, everybody says that, you know, it's great if you're an athlete, you play basketball.
It is cut off by Tolentino. JB, flyby on Luzon. Rosario cleans it up in the loudest way possible.
Di ba dati, Jacket Aguilar lang ang gagawa niya para sa Barangay Ginebra?
Goes across, Thompson down the gun of the defense, scoops it up and in.
I like the reply of Barangay Ginebra. Ang ganda na pinagawa ng 1 or 2 ball games. Because him coming off the bench, he can both play defense, but he can also score. He can shoot from the outside, stage of fun.
Amarrientos lights it up.
Parang masarap bigyan ng bola lang si Evans at si RJ Abarentos. Kita mo, wala pa doon.
Oh, ankle breaker on the three-pointer.
Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. Ekis talaga yung paa mo eh with RJ Abarentos. He's just so shifty.
Gonna make up for his miss earlier. And 1, Balakit Roy.
Cannot get frustrated if you're Northport. Especially if you're Arvin Tolentino. You need to be able to settle down. You're the #1 gun of the locals.
Big pick from Jumpet. And he gets the pass from Brownlee. Jumpet trying to clean up his bone miss. And this now is the first double-digit spread of the game.
You're gonna need...
How about that placement of that pass? Sakto sa ibabaw ng ulo ni Tolentino. Jumpet dives through.
Continuing. You know yung poise, nakikita mo right
Attacking
now.
the defense of Tolentino. Tutulong si Nelly. They swing it around. They locate RJ.
On the offensive end.
Uy, kapaparin ko ng as Brownlee lights it up again. Ganda ng 0 din. Solid. Grabe yung Ginebra. Pinukan na nila sa matamis na disas. Ang abante nila, 71-55.
On the other hand, Northport, Kadim Jack with 25, and Joshua Munzon with 10.
And Munzon has been scoreless in this third quarter, Dom, as Amarrientos adds to his total.
Bigay ng depensa.
And Misi wanted to lob it to Jamie. Malonzo, though, gets a long 2 instead. Rosario against Flores. Puts it on the deck. Goes out to Jamie. And it is raining threes para dito sa Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel.
23 assists right now for Barangay Ginebra. Finding the open man once again. That's another 3-point shot for Barangay Ginebra.
The struggle is real for him. Oh, look at this. The defense got landing. Rosario, what's on a show? And Coach Bonnie is not happy. This is going to be his 3rd timeout of the 3rd
players, the team is not responding. Right?
Bumitaw na, bumigay na.
Oh, and you don't want that. You cannot have that, especially in the
By
playoffs.
30 is the same result.
Oh, isa lang.
Pero you want yung kumpiyansa, yung buwelo, yung konting rhythm naman. Eh, never ba gumawa ng rhythm yan?
And you don't want
Parang Ginebra, they want one right here on their second try. Sabi ko nila,
you can see the guys on the floor. You can see that he's really tripped down. You know, had a number of injuries.
nice extra pass there. A cool, unselfish play to Aljo. And he knows he wants to get Mariano going.
And Bagu, you look at how this game is going. It's a big lead. The court team now has
Sa Rambulan, yung starter ang kailangan mo ngayon. Ooh, what a crossover! And a finish by RJ!
You know when RJ Abarrientos has that basketball, parang he's just 2 steps ahead. Alam na alam niya yung gagawin. Or yung reaction